Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm sharing how I created this card, and I'm going to also show you a little secret, which, shh, don't tell anyone, but it's a sneak peek of a product that is going to be released to the public. It's not released yet, but it should be any day now. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I use that product to create this background. I don't know if you can see that on there, but it's a fun technique that I'm going to show you using this new product. So, are you ready? This is it. It's called Shimmer Stix, and this is a rose gold color. So, how I'm going to use this, I'm going to take a 3D embossing folder by Crafter's Companion, and using the inverted side where it goes in, I'm just going to take this dauber and run it over those areas. Now, often when we use embossing folders, you know that if you run it all over it, it'll emboss and put color onto the main, but not the part that dents in. So this kind of is going to be putting it just on the parts that dent in. So just quickly run this over. And then I'm just going to take a paper towel and just lay it over the top, just to clean off it off of the top layer, like so. Take a black piece of cardstock, just lay it in there. And then I'm going to run it through my embossing machine. And there we have it. See how cool that looks? And then the folder is really easy to clean up. You just wipe it off. Actually, I'm just use some water and clean it right off. And then for the sentiment part, using my Misty, and this is some foiled paper from Renia. And sometimes when you're stamping on slick surfaces like this foil, it's best to use a positioner like this so you don't slide really easily. And then I'm just using some StazOn in jet black. And I'm going to stamp that one more time, which is also a good reason to use a stamp positioner. So you can stamp twice. So now I just cut my sentiment out with the glossy, the Renia foiled paper. This is the blush color and glossy that I cut out into the strip. And then I also cut a Starstruck strip out. And just kind of line it up where I want it, figure out where I want it on my card. Thinking about there. And because this is foiled paper, you can just fold it around your card like so. And it will hold its shape and stay right there. So then just adhere this onto the card base. And then I cut out some, so like that, and then I cut out some dies, some heart dies. I did 2 of them, so I off-centered them from each other using the On Point glue. I adhered those on there, added some pearls. So there we have it. Pretty quick, simple card to make, and I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek of the new Shimmer Stix. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button as well. Visit ImagineCrafts.com too for more inspiration. See you soon. Bye.